We'll guide you through how to determine if Streamlabs is safe for your use. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the official Streamlabs website at streamlabs.com. It's crucial to ensure you're on the official site to avoid any phishing attempts. Once you're on the site, you'll want to check for a secure connection by looking for a padlock icon in the address bar, indicating that the site is encrypted and safe to use. Next, scroll down to the bottom of the homepage and look for any recent security announcements or updates from Streamlabs. They often post about any security enhancements or potential issues that you should be aware of. You can also head to the Support or Help section, which usually provides detailed information on security measures and policies. Another great step is to check reviews and feedback from other users online, especially recent ones, as they can give you insights into any ongoing issues or concerns. You can visit forums or communities like Reddit where users discuss their experiences with Streamlabs security. If you have an antivirus or security software installed, it's a good idea to run a quick scan after downloading or using Streamlabs to ensure no malicious files have been added to your system. Lastly, make sure your Streamlabs account uses a strong, unique password and enable two-factor authentication if available to add an extra layer of security. By following these steps, you can confidently determine if Streamlabs is safe for you to use. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.